Ever get home after a long day and notice that bony bump at the base of your big toe? At first, it's just a little discomfort, but as soon as your favorite shoes don't fit, you find yourself reaching for bigger, bulkier shoes. And you start thinking, what's going on with my feet? That bony bump at the side of your foot is a bunion, a misalignment of the big toe joint that pushes the toe outwards, creating that painful bump. It's a hereditary condition, so if it runs in your family, it might be showing up in you too. Okay, so don't worry. If you're noticing this early, you're in the perfect position to do something about it before it gets worse. For many older family members, the bunion has already progressed and their toes might even be crossing over each other. But if you address this now, you can avoid ending up in the same situation. The key is to see a podiatrist early. A podiatrist can fit you with custom foot orthotics, specially designed insoles that reduce pressure and help realign your feet. This can reduce pain and allow you to wear the shoes you want without aggravating the bunion. If left untreated, the bunion can get worse and surgery might be the only option. But by seeing a podiatrist now, you can manage it and prevent the pain from getting worse. Share this video with someone who might be worried about bunions. We're here to guide you every step of the way.